Hello everyone, Merry Christmas! Today we have quite a special socks because these socks are knitted from my husband Sebastian and I can't wait to share it with you! Second of all, I'm so happy because they have some memories and I got the yarn from a friend and it's just amazing, and I have knitted already a pair for myself from the same skein ball last year. On the screen now, check it out, link down below to that finished object video, and down below also we have a step-by-step tutorial how I knit socks, just in case you would want to try it and do it yourself. Yeah, probably should maybe try, let me know to make one from the beginning till the end how I make socks on circulars. However, you do have a link down below also how I knit on circular, so basically you just follow the toe beginning of the tutorial and then you just maybe switch to the other video how I knit it around, and then you come back to see what I do with the heel, although there's also a separate video how I do toes and heels using, you know, a picked method. Picked method for myself. So anyway, quickly, because I do not have time. Here it is, a beautiful, beautiful, in a sec I'm going to okay. Aren't they pretty? Probably, you know what, I'll try to put them on sock blockers, but you know, these are medium size and these are larger socks. I'm going to tell you what I do to make these. Yeah, see? Here how they look. Okie dokie. First things first, maybe I'll tell you what the yarn is, in case you're interested in what I'm wearing. Link down below to finish object video. Underneath that finish object video, you will have a link to the pattern. Just saying. I kept in this bag, well, not really a ball, a leftover. As I mentioned, I knitted already. I knitted already socks with this yarn, 100 gram, which was enough for prepared for myself and for Sebastian, so thank you so much, Sarah. I hope you're watching. And this is West Yorkshire spinner, and that I think is 2018 because they have edition, and the 2017 is beautiful. I saw it on Denise podcast, so check the Nice Together podcast. And here it is on the screen. You can see the yarn, Fairy Lights, that's the name, 06. And I think also we have over here 75-25, yes, 25% wool, 75% wool, 25% nylon. And over here I got, because Sarah, seeing that I finished socks previous year for myself first, with a beautiful red West Yorkshire yarn, she sent me a green one, West Yorkshire Spinners signature 4-ply 395 chocolate lime, yeah, 20 grams. And according to this, it's plenty, because I think, do I have leftovers? I still have some bit of leftovers, so it looks that I can knit heels and toes and the 10 rounds ribbing for Sab with 20 grams, and I have still left, so let's see. So now I use 15 grams, I still have 5 grams. I can actually add it to like full of these hats maybe. We don't know. Okay, what else? So long story short, toe up in a tube knitting, adding afterthought heel, and just a pleasure to knit. I was knitting until I run out of yarn. I divided the ball to 2 sections, and I think I had 40 grams, I think, overall. I'm not sure. Woo! On the Vlogmas I was saying, so maybe I repeat, I'll check that and tell you over here. So that was plenty, and as you could see with the long cuff, and I had some small piece left. What I did, I kind of looked at those 2 balls and decided which one is smaller. you know. And I also kind of squeezed it because sometimes they could be wrapped very tight, so you need to kind of adjust the weight. And I was able to knit them, and they're so beautiful, and I think they're kind of matchy. So happy, so happy. So we both have a beautiful socks from Seb. It took me amazing experience and pleasure to knit them, and double because I received them from two amazing friends. The previous one from my one, if you haven't watched this video, put link down below. And yeah, and this is for Seb, and I love it so much. So thank you so much. I mentioned bag, I mentioned needles, and I mentioned yarn. And what else? I think the only thing is that from perspective of finished objects videos, I wish you a happy new year, because I think this is the last one in 2019. So the future ones will be 2020. What am I going to finish? What am I going to knit? We shall see. I don't have any ideas. Any suggestions, let me know down below. Subscribe, like, hit that bell. And yeah, and let me know, where do you spend your lovely December 2019. Bye!